My Skottle from Oris just showed up. These legs are quite a bit heavier than I thought they were going to be. And this is how it arrived. This is the only damage that I can see. That looks like it got pretty smashed. We'll see how functional that is. Okay, putting it together. This thing is pretty heavy, this cast iron disc. Everything else sets up really nice. This is all pretty nice quality. This just drops in there. The only thing I'm unhappy with so far is this, which came dinged, and it is super, like I could literally push this in right here with my hand and just bend it. It's just meant to be a top for this thing. Still, it's pretty chintzy. I'm a little unhappy with the quality. They went to the effort to put their name on it, and it's just, that's chintzy. Doesn't even have good screws on there. So that's okay. This is the thing I'm most interested in. Not a wok, ever so gentle curve. I imagine that this is going to be very helpful for cooking. A burner can be used for multiple things. These screw on right here, so this will all become a fixed unit when it's put together. Assembly and disassembly is pretty simple. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, chintzy on this. Everything else feels good.